You may have been on TikTok for a while, but you can't seem to get this algorithm thing down. Well, hey, you know what? You landed on the right video because I'm going to show you how to get on the For You page every single time. Keep watching. So welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Quincy Moreland, and I help you do this social media thing with tips and tricks and tutorials to help you get ahead. I'm going to be showing you how to get on the For You page. I know it seems like it's a hard thing to do. It can be hard, but it's also easy. You just got to follow these steps. But before we begin, I have to give a shout out to the comment winners of my last few videos, and that is The Good Crafter and Tay's Clan. Thank you guys for commenting and engaging on these videos. I really appreciate you. If you have any more questions, let me know. If you would like to be featured as the comment winner, go ahead and comment on this video with any questions, comments, concerns, or even on a video before this one, because I look at the last two videos, and select a random winner using TubeBuddy. Using TubeBuddy can get you more views, more likes, more subscribers on your YouTube channel. TubeBuddy is responsible for a number of my videos going viral and also trending on YouTube with starting from 20,000 likes up to 30, 40, 50, 60, and now a video with 70,000 likes, and it just keeps going. So thank you, TubeBuddy. If you want to check out TubeBuddy, click on my link in the description. That way you can grow your channel and start right now. So what can happen if your video lands on the For You page? When your video lands on the For You page, obviously you're getting more exposure. You're before an audience that likely wouldn't see you unless they go to your profile. And then when they rewatch your video, it just increases your chances of staying on the For You page, therefore getting you more exposure, more followers, more likes, and more comments on your video. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be giving you 7 tips and tricks on how to land on the For You page every single time. So keep watching, starting with number 1. And I can hear some of you already right now. I know what you're thinking. Do the trends. He's going to say do the trends. Of course I'm going to say do the trends. But do the trends, but put your own twist on it. Put your own spin on it. I've seen so many trends happen, and then someone else did it differently, and then the trend went viral going in that direction. So if you see something on the For You page more than 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 times, and you don't want to do the same thing, then put your own twist to it. Number 2, to get on the For You page, you want to make sure that you're doing content that people want to watch over and over and over. And usually 99% of the videos that are on the For You page are trending videos, and then of course also videos that people put their own twist on, and then they started trending in a different direction. And then also those videos have something that happened unexpectedly in the video that make you want to watch them. Oh, could you have to hit me so hard? Number 3, make videos that are 15 seconds or less. Why? Because when you make a video that's 15 seconds or less, chances are you're going to use the trending song that goes with it. Using the trending song that goes with the video that's 15 seconds or less is increasing your chances tremendously. If you're creating a video that's 60 seconds, like myself, I do it a lot, but I do comedy, so it's a little different. Chances are you are not going to use those 15-second songs that are trending, that are on the top charts in the library, which is decreasing your chances unless you are super funny, like myself. Did you laugh at that? Somebody let me know if you laughed at that. Number 4, I'm probably sure you probably haven't heard this in this way before. Once you post a video, send it out to about 10 people that you are following or in your friends list on TikTok. They're going to get that video before they get a notification, I'm pretty sure. Sometimes they will get a notification, but have you ever been on TikTok and you go to someone's page and you realize they've uploaded a new video, and you're wondering why you never got a notification? So as soon as you post a video, I would inbox about 10 people that you're following, that you're friends with on TikTok, and send them that video. That way, you're automatically generating views right away, connecting with the algorithm, and it's recognized, increasing your chances of being on the For You page, because now you're getting people watching your video over and over and over, especially if they're close to you. You know, and they will give you comments. You know, I have a couple of my friends that inbox me as soon as they post a video. And what do? I go and watch their video. I comment on their video. It's giving them a head start. It's giving them a push automatically. Number 5. I know I mentioned this already, but along with using the trending songs, make sure you're using the current hashtag that is going along with that song. So if that song is, skateboard. You like the way I sing? Yeah. You like that? Skateboard. Then you want to use hashtag skateboard. Use the hashtag that everyone is using with that trending song so that when people do click on that hashtag, your video is ranking somewhere in there. They can see. Listen. This ain't even a number on there. I'm going to tell you this right now. I might put this at the front of the video. If you don't use a hashtag, you are not searchable for that trend. Only if you use the song. So you have 2 chances. You got 2 chances to be discovered for a trend, and it's either the song that goes with the trend or the hashtag. If you don't use that hashtag and you put some other random hashtag, you're only going to be discovered when someone clicks on the music, that little circle spinning, the original sound on the bottom right. And they'll click on that. You might be down there somewhere. But if you also included the hashtag, it's just increasing your chances. Why not use it? It's kind of like YouTube. YouTube gives you 500 characters for tags. Use them all. Use them all. Instagram gives you 30 tags that you can use. Use them all. You might as well increase your chances, right? And number 6, my favorite, you probably heard me say it before, do something. My family's washing dishes in the background. They decided, let's wash dishes right before he does a YouTube video. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Number 6, you already know, do something random. I've done so many random videos that automatically ended up on the For You page, and then because it was crazy, got likes, comments, shares, and I was like, what? Totally random. I might do a totally random video as soon as I'm done with this video. I'm just gonna run outside and scream, and then I'm gonna post it on TikTok. Hashtag scream. And number 7, let's make sure we post consistently so the algorithm. Isn't it like a tongue twister? Peter Piper picked a pepper. Peter Piper picked a. Can anybody say that? Type it out in the comments. Peter Piper picked a pair of pickled peppers. Is that even the right words? Anyway, make sure you post make sure you post consistently so the algo. Make sure you post consistently so the algorithm favors you. Can somebody give me a cookie? I deserve a cookie for that. Normally, I don't have no problem saying the word. But anyway, post consistently so the algorithm favors you. Hey, I'm doing this because I care about you guys and because I see the need for tips and tricks. I see the need for information on how to do this, how to do. I was just slouching down. I just realized that, dang, I look hecka small. And I see the need for, I feel so little, sit up. My bad. Dang. I hope my whole video I was just like slouching down. Anyway, so make sure you're posting consistently because it's nothing like getting fresh content out there. People that follow you, they want to see content from you. People are not looking and saying, man, she posting too much. Man, he posting too much. No, they followed you because they want to see more of you. Do what successful people do. If you see a video on the For You page and you see someone else's video on the For You page, look at their video. Analyze their video. What are they doing? And that's what I did. I said, you know what? I'm going to start creating quality videos. I'm going to start creating quality videos. There is no reason why you shouldn't have 100,000 subscribers right now. Now, I'm getting mad at myself because I want to hit 400,000 subscribers and I've been kind of lax. But why? It's because I had this YouTube journey going on, which I'm grateful for. I'm grateful to have been monetized. I'm excited to be making money. And I was like, man, okay, this is legit, right? I'm about to pay some bills. I'm about to get me a new laptop, a new Imac, and it's exciting. And so I said, okay, let me slow down on TikTok for just a little bit. and dive into this YouTube to try to help you guys out, because I want to be able to provide value to you. And so, you know, you guys got a question, you search it up on YouTube, boom, your boy shows up and I give you what you need. And so, hey, you know what? That's pretty much all I have for how to land on the For You page every single time. If you have additional questions, please leave them in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps me out and it also helps you out, because every week, if not twice a week, I'm going to be giving you something new on a tip, a trick, a tutorial, a how-to on TikTok that's going to take you further in your journey and get you more subscribers, more likes, more views, and they're still washing dishes in the background. If you just tuned in or skipped through the video, you'd have to hear my earlier comment. My family decided to wash dishes right before I started this video. Anyway, hey guys, I'll see you soon, and hey, stay blessed. All right.